So now that we have our project running in our Google Chrome or your browser, let me explain what happens behind the scenes. So what happens once you run your project is that here what happened is that once you got to this URL, which is just forward slash here, if you type forward slash and hit enter, what happened is that this function gets called, and this function returns a view, and that view is called welcome, which is the default view that comes with Laravel. But where is this view? Where is this view? The question is, where is this view? Well, this view is inside the resources and then inside the views. Whenever we have a view, we create that view in the views folder. And as you can see, this view, if you open it, you'll find that it's just a simple HTML code. Simple HTML with some CSS. So it's actually HTML, but here it says welcome.blade.php. Why do we have this blade and .php, not HTML? Well, because in Laravel uses a template engine called Blade, which adds extra features that aren't available in normal and simple HTML. And Blade is just an awesome template engine, and I'm going to be explaining what it does later. But for now, what you need to know is that the name of the view is goes here first, and then .blade.php. Always, whenever you create a new view, you need to add this extension .blade.php, because you are going to add the extra features that Laravel and Blade uses. And here in the web.php, you need, in order to return a view, all you need to do is that you need to pass the name of the view without .blade.php. Don't here pass the extension. If you pass the extension, it's not gonna work. Laravel is smart enough to find out what the view that you mean here and you want to return to the user. So basically, Laravel is gonna go to the resources and then the views, and it's gonna look for the name of the view that matches the one that you passed here. So it's gonna take that name and then it's gonna try to match it with the views that you have in the views, and once it finds it, it's just gonna return it to the user. And that's exactly what happened in here. Once you got to the forward slash, and then once you have hit enter, what happened is that it returned this page, which is the Laravel default view.